Today we make a cocktail called the Irish Cream. This recipe comes from the Bartender's Manifesto and uses a spice rum and an Irish whiskey, as well as some Licor 43, some Demerara Syrup, and some cream. Don't forget that Angostura Bitters as well. The recipe was created by Jane Lopes, and it was not just the simple name and the ingredients that jumped out to me, but the idea of a cocktail that has so many similarities to Bailey's. That's what really piqued my interest. So if you watched this channel before, I've made many different eggnogs and even a rum cream liqueur. I even made a rum cream liqueur using a very expensive bottle of rum, and it's wonderful. But a year or two ago, I made my own Bailey's for the first time, a homemade Bailey's, and it's one of the best things that I've ever made. I haven't made a video for that, but I can. If you want that, let me know in the comments below. So we do need some Demerara syrup today, and you can make your own, but I'll be using Liberalia & Co.'s syrup, who are today's sponsor. Right now, Liberalia & Co. is celebrating Liberalia, or is it Liberalia, which is named after an ancient Roman festival that celebrates the coming of spring and the upcoming harvest. That means between March 17th and the 24th, you can save some money. I'll put the different offers on the screen right now so you can see how many bottles and what your savings will be. Now, they have a workshop coming up on March 20th with Tony Abu Ghanim, creator of the cable car, and they are doing an ultimate bar cart giveaway. It's $1,500 in value, and you get one entry per bottle purchased during the festival. Now, they also have a cocktail competition going on right now where the winner gets $500 cash, and your recipe will be featured in 10,000 box inserts, making you a famous person. So lots of stuff is going on this week with Liber, and I appreciate them supporting this channel as a gold tier sponsor. I just made that up. There are no tears. The only tears I usually shed are generally from spice rum cocktails, and today's drink calls for spiced rum. It does call for Sailor Jerry, which I don't have and I ain't gonna get. Instead, I'm using Chairman's because it's the sole spice rum in my collection. But full circle here back to the cable car with Tony Abu Ghanim. That drink is amazing, and it has spiced rum in it. And I really like this thumbnail. That bridge is from one of those wooden train sets, which I took from my kids. All right, let's make the Irish Cream. Now, the recipe calls for only 3 drops of Angostura, but I'm just using a bump, which is half a dash. 1 ounce of heavy cream. Half an ounce of our Demerara syrup. Half an ounce of Licor 43. 1 ounce of Irish whiskey, and I'm using Jameson because that's kind of all I have. And then 1 ounce of a spice rum. We're gonna strain this into a glass with some ice. And finally, we will flame an orange peel over the top of the drink. And there you have it, Irish Cream. All right, let's try this Irish Cream. Cheers. Oh man, that's so good. And it's everything. Like, it's everything in here. Spice rum, obviously Irish whiskey flavor, Licor 43, which has vanilla and some botanical notes to it, and then the richness from the Demerara with that cream. There's obviously cream, so there's an aspect to it that makes it heavier than obviously non-cream cocktails. But having a full 2 ounces of spirit and not a ton of thick syrups in there, like Licor 43 and Demerara giving the sweetness there combined for 1 ounce. But it's not like cloyingly sweet, thick, creamy drink. There's obviously like richness to it, but it's balanced out, I think, by the Irish whiskey and the spice rum. And don't skip the orange either. You could probably skip flaming the orange peel over the top, but don't skip the orange peel because that does help give a bit of brightness there from the orange oil, like that intense orange oil flavor. I think it really helps balance it out, that creaminess, and make it come across more of a balanced cocktail than simply a super sweet, rich, creamy cocktail. So there you go, folks. The Irish cream. I think this is wonderful. This is fantastic. It's a real cocktail too when you look at it. I mean, it's got 2 ounces of booze, half an ounce of a liqueur that has some alcohol in it. So it's not one of these heavy, rich, light in alcohol dessert after dinner drinks. It's very good, very good. So you don't have to love spice rum. I'm not a fan of spice rum. You don't have to love Irish whiskey. I do like Irish whiskey, but you don't have to really like either one of those. But if you like Licor 43, if you like the vanilla note there, and like I would say like a touch of the botanical notes you get from that, it really comes through in this cocktail. So an excellent drink from the Bartender's Manifesto that you cream cocktail lovers are going to enjoy, or those of you that just like whiskey or spice rum. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you want to support this channel more, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you in the next one.